Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Exp22 Exam Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. First of all, here is project description. You are a data analytic of local university at the end of each academic semester. Okay. You perform a statistical analysis on the student's course evaluation. You want to analyze the result by calculating basic descriptive statistics. You also want to check the correlation between the student's GPA and course opinion. Okay, you can see here today I am going to start Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 course evaluation. I have done the project description. Now I am going to move for my first step. My first step is start Excel. Download open the file Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. I already downloaded it. You can see here. I can show you the Excel workbook. Okay. I can show you the Excel workbook. I already downloaded it and use the frequency function. My second step, use the frequency function ranges H5 to H9 to calculate the frequency distribution of the course evaluation from the ranges D4 to D35 based on the frequency. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to apply the frequency function. You can see here. Here I am going to start the frequency function and going to select the ranges that is D4 to D35 and comma G5 to G9. You can see here I have applied the frequency function and find the values for the frequency distribution. I have completed the step number 2. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is here. Use the statistical function that is performed. Okay, I am going to show. Okay, use the standard deviation function that calculates the standard deviation between the current values and the course rating that is cell H12. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to apply the standard deviation function. Standard deviation function. Here I am going to select the ranges that is D4 to D20, D34, D4 to D35. I am going, D35. Okay, now I am going to apply the standard deviation and I have found the value for the standard deviation. I have completed the step number 3. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 4. Use the variances function to calculate the variances between the current value of the course rating in the cell H13. Now I am going to insert a function in cell H13 for the variances function. Okay, you can see here. Here I am going to insert a function for the variances. I have completed this assessment before many times for many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have run this assessment before many times for many students with 100% grade. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to calculate the variances. You can see here that is D4 to D35. I have completed the value for the variances and you can see here I have completed step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. Use the correlation function in cell G17 to calculate the correlation between the GPA in the ranges C4 to C35 and the course evaluation in the ranges D4 to D35. You can see here I am going to apply the correlation function in cell G17. Correlation function inside G17 calculate the correlation between the GPA in the ranges C4 to C35 and the correlation evaluation ranges D4 to D35. Okay, you can see here I am going to find the value for the correlation. Okay, you can see here that is D4, D35 and comma D4 to D35. You can see here I am going to find the value for the correlation and I have done and found the values. You can see here I have inserted the function for the correlation and find the values. Okay, you can see here function here. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 6. You ensure the analysis toolpath is active. Loaded. Create a descriptive static summary based on the course evaluation in the column D. Ensure the label or summary statistics or the included display the output in ranges in cell G19. Okay, you can see here. Ensure the analysis toolpath is loaded. Okay, now I am going to insert a descriptive summary based on the course evaluation in the cell in the column D. You can see here Okay. Today I am going to do Exp22 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students with 100% grades. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have already put my direct WhatsApp link in description. You can text me through WhatsApp. If you need the solution of any assignment, quizzes, MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance, you can contact me through the WhatsApp. I added many times for my many students. Now I am going to insert a descriptive summary. Okay, you can see here on the basis of course evaluation in column D. You can see here course evaluation, that is in column D. You can see here I am going to select the ranges D4 to D35. And then show the label. Okay, summary statics are the display in the column G19. Okay, now I am going to complete the step number 6. You can see here output range is here, and okay, I have done. You can see here I have applied the course summary statics. You can see here I find the values. Okay, I have completed the step number 6. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 7. Insert a scatter plot with course rating on the x-axis value and the GP as the y-axis values. Be sure to add appropriate chart and the Excel labels. You can see here I am going to complete the step number 7. Insert a scatter plot with course rating as the x-axis. You can see here. If you need a solution of this assessment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I had did this assessment before many times for many students. You can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment before many times. Now I am going to do the step number 7 to insert a scatter plot with course rates on the x-axis and the GP as the y-axis. You can see here I am going to apply the scatter chart, course rates at the x-axis and the GPA at the y-axis. You can see here. And the GPA, I am going to select the GPA that is on the y-axis, and I am going to insert a scatter plot chart. X for scatter, and here is scatter plot chart. You can see here I am going to insert a scatter plot chart, course ratio at the x-axis and the GPA at the y-axis. I have already taken it. Okay, you can see here I am going to apply the scatter plot chart, insert apply the scatter plot chart and be sure the previous chart on the x-axis. You can see here I have completed the step number 7. Now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 8. Add a linear trend line to the scatter plot with the equation of R square. Now I am going to add the linear trend line and the equation of R square. You can see here I am going to add a linear trend line. You can see here I have added, and the next one is the equation and the R square display on the chart. Okay, you can see here if you need a solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I already did this assignment before many times for my many students. I am going to complete this assignment. I am going to add the display equation on the chart and display R square value on the chart. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I have completed the step number 8. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 9. Position of the chart to the upper left corner in the cell J4 and move the equation displayed at the chart to upper left corner of the plot area. You can see here I am going to do the step number 9. Position of the chart to the upper left corner in the cell J4. Now I am going to change the position for the chart, that is upper left corner of the cell J4. You can see here I am going to change the position for the chart. I have done this assignment before many times with 100% grade for my many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I did this many times for many students with 100% grades. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, MATLAB quizzes, MATLAB exam, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I already did my track WhatsApp link in description and put my email address on your screen. You can see and you can find me through WhatsApp or email. Okay. Now I have completed the step number 9. Now I'm going to move on my next step. My next step is step number 9. Okay, it's a final version of the Exp22 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. Okay. Okay, you can see here I am going to do this one. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students. If to need the solution of this assessment, I have done this assignment before many times for my many students. It's a greater MATLAB project. If you need the solution, you can trust me for the quality grades. I have done this assessment before many times. Okay. Okay, you can see here I have completed Exp22 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. You can see I have completed my MATLAB class project Excel chapter 8 Exp22 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation. I solved this assessment with 100% grade. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, quizzes, MATLAB simulation exam, textbook, quizzes or final exam, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assessment before many times for my many students. You can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have completed and I have done this assignment with 100% grade. Okay, I have completed this one, and if you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, thank you so much. It's a final version, you can see.